How are you po? I'm okay po. How about you, patatas? Tagal natin hindi nagkita, patatas ha. Hi, Ezra! Hello po, Yenny. Oh my god, sorry guys. It's my phone. Yung isa kong phone. That's nice to hear that you're alright. Wait, oh god. My phone keeps vibrating. Wait. This is a must-have, guys. It's my holy grail. You should try it then. This live would be very, very quick. Kasi